Hi friends, if you're searching for a beautiful wooden room partition designs, then you're on the right place. So friends, welcome back to my channel where we bring you the best home decor and interior design ideas. So in today's video, I brought you an amazing collections of wooden room partition ideas that will not only clear your confusion but also inspires you to choose the best designs for your space. So let's dive in. Wooden room partitions are a fantastic way to divide the space while adding the warmth and elegance to your home because they are durable, versatile, and can match any interior style from modern to rustic. It has some key advantages like wood adds a warm and natural Oregon feel to any space. It is available in various finishes to match the different color themes. Can be carved, painted, or stained to fit personal preference. And it is also helps create separate areas in open plan space like living room, dining. It provides a visual separation without completely closing off space. Another advantage is its durability and longevity. High quality wood partitions are long lasting and resistant to wear. Sustainable wood is an environmentally friendly choice. Thicker wood panels can help dampness, sound improving acoustic. It also allows the light and air to pass through while maintaining the separations. Blocks light for more privacy when needed. Many wooden partitions are movable, allowing for flexible room layouts. Some can folded, stacked, or reconfigure as needed. Some partitions include shelves or cabinets for added comfortability and also can double a backdrop for plants, artwork, or hanging decor. It is very cost effective alternative because it is less expensive than permanent walls or renovations. It is ideal for those who can't make structural changes like renter. It has some psychological benefits like it helps mentally separate works areas in homes or you can use in offices also. It enhances the wood natural textures, create a cozy inviting atmosphere. So it is mostly used in living rooms, bedrooms, and the small places like you have the less space in the house. But before purchasing a wood room partitions, you should remember some key points like purpose and functionality. So decide if you need it for privacy or room division or for just aesthetic appeal. Check if you need a fixed or foldable or movable partitions. And another points to remember is the material and quality. So there are the types of woods like choose durable woods like teak, oak, or engineering MDF plywood based on your budget. And another thing is finish and coating. So ensure it has some smooth finish, stain resistant, and is treated for moisture. Another point is the design and style. So solid panels offer privacy with while lattice or slated designs allow light and airflow. Colors and textures to remember like match with the existing furniture and room decor. And another point to remember is the size and dimension. So like measure the space where it will be placed to ensure a proper fit with height and width. And the thickness also, thicker panels are sturdier but heavier also. Stability and safety. Freestanding partition should have a stable base to prevent tipping. Wall mounted is more secure but less flexible. And one of the most important point to remember is the budget and maintenance. Like compare the price based on material and brands. and some woods require polishing or protection from humidity. So always select the best materials. Check if the partition can be customized in size, designs or colors, because there are nowadays it has been lots of option to customize the room partition designs. There you can see in this video there are the beautiful designs are available. This designs will not only give you the idea but also will give the ideas to set your beautiful home interior designs with a new tips. Some partitions require professional installation while other are DI friendly. So if you use in small space, option for the designs that allow the airflow and natural light. So friends, by keeping these some important points, you can purchase the beautiful room partition designs, and this video will help you to select the best designs and what are the advantages. So friends, in this video I explain what are the advantages of wood room partitions and points to remember